Okay, so unveiling, I made a new food, a new dehydrated food. I've always wanted to do something with the pulp from my juice. And finally this week, because I've been juicing a lot of lemon with greens, I was like, wonder what that would taste like if we made it into some kind of dehydrated edible. So I used all of my celery, mixed greens, and lemon pulp to make these flax crackers. I soaked flax seeds and then I mixed them in with the pulp, and then I dehydrated them throughout the night. Now, I haven't tasted this yet, so I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I'm gonna cut them up. So cool. Oh, there's 2 sheets down here. Okay. Oops. All right, I'll do this when I have 2 hands. I made 3. Oh, 3. 3 trays. So it's flaxseed. Then I added in, I'll put the recipe up. I added in some tamari, a little onion powder, some sea salt, some black pepper. All right, more to come.